Yeah, my boy letting me rock the Evo today to the fishing spot. Hey, Bandizo, good looking. Woo, boy. It's been a long time, guys. Thank you, Bandizo, for letting me drive the Evo and ride your boy's car. To the spot. We're at the Wellman's Dock in Caesars Creek. We're back at the dock. Hey. Yep, my arch nemesis, the good old saw guy. Yeah, everything's sharp on this fish. Look at that. Be careful, guys. See this? Their teeth are sharp. The gills are sharp. Look at that dorsal fin. Thing's sharp. Oh, got another one. Let's see. Soggy again. Oh, yes. Oh, you can't want it to drop down. No, it's a little bigger. It's a little bigger. That's what I'm talking about. These fishes are getting a little bigger right here, guys. Another soggy. Here we go. Got one hooked on, guys. They're underneath the dock. Looks like a little sardine. Another saw guy. Another one, guys. Let's bring it to the light so you guys can see this. All these saw guys are underneath the dock right now. It seems like they're more aggressive at night. They're smacking on this little jig right here. Got a little half-ounce jig head with a green-orange paddle tail. It's a little dinks, but it's a good sign. Mama bear is probably around. So we'll see. Almost jig. Little dink. What's up with all these dinks? Yeah. You want it?
No, throw it back.
Throw it back?
No.
Okay.
I want it for... Hey, Donna.
Yeah, little baby white bass.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. We decided to go to the Spillway. We haven't been catching a thing. Going everywhere. Yeah. Oh, the minnows in there too, boy.
They all die.
Yo, guys, this is love right here. Von's cousin went to the bait shop, only asked for a dozen.
Oh, this thing's pregnant.
Look at this. Damn, that's love. That's love. Let's go. Let's go, Van Diesel.
Oh, it's a flathead. Nope. Channel.
It's a channel cat. Let's see. That's pretty decent. That's a nice channel. It's a nice channel. Off of a minnow rig. Hey. Nice. On the 6-pound test. Yo, Von caught another fish, man. He's killing it. Von Diesel's killing it, y'all. Oh boy. Slabbertooth is on the line. It's a big old drum. Look at that drum, guys. Holy crap. That thing's an ugly sucker, huh? Wow. All right, hold on. Yeah, you got it right on the lips. With the blade bait. Okay, Von Diesel, I see you with the blade bait. You gonna take it, Bo?
Yeah.
You gonna take that?
Taking myself, dude.
Nice. He's taking whatever he could get. He about to eat that right there. That's gonna feed the family right there. Look at that. Look at how big that is. Woo. Nothing goes to waste out here, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, man.
Oh, you double got
bladed.
it. Ooh, on the lip. That's what we call that double lip. Damn. Oh yeah, there we go. Saw guy in the house. Saw guy in the... Oh, on a little baby anchovy joint. The green and orange, yo. Fish on. Fish on. Okay, ooh, I got the saw guy up. My GoPro died on me, man. Ooh, this might be a keeper. This... Yeah, there's no way. There's no way. Just barehanded that. There's no way. Yep, that's a definite keeper right there. Ladies and gentlemen, I just barehanded it. Not a good idea, I'm bleeding. Where did he get in the blade bait? Let's see. Let's check it out. My GoPro died. Useless. Useless. Let's see. Oh my God, he swallowed that blade bait whole. Yo, he swallowed that whole. He was not going anywhere. Yes. Doing a great job, guys. Look at that. That's a definite keeper right there. That's definitely 15. Real quick. Oh, it's all good. It's all good. I don't got that much tomorrow. All right. Yeah. My finger's jammed up. Let's see. 17. 17 inches, y'all. Yep. That's a good one. That's a good eating one. Let's go. Sticks and stones, baby. Fishing all the way to the morning time. Be some troopers. Look at that. The moon is still there. Like 7 in the morning. Ready to call it a day. I caught my saw guy. He's falling asleep behind the wheel. He's falling asleep. I just want to go home. Oh my God. There is that big spider. Holy snaps. Look at that spider. It got eggs in the back. Yeah, it got babies in the back. Dude.
What a flamethrower.
Don't do that to him.